daily assembly, we
recite, 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 বলো recite, 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 তেলাওয়াত করা, আবৃত্তি করা, পাঠ করা।
from the holy books.
Yes, be confident, okay, and be yourself.
And we sing our national anthem and salute to the national flag.
Nice, you sound good, you sounded good.
We also repeat the oath.
Oath,
Oath.
oath,
Oath.
oath, 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 oath. What does it mean by oath? Shapath. Yes, here goes the term oath. Oath means shapath. Okay.
Oath after the assembly leader. Finally, we do physical exercise. It is the best time to meet all the students and teachers of our school.
Thank you.